Hi everyone, Adrienne here. I have now brought home to my rented room one of my other plant, and this plant is this desert rose here. It lost its leaves, and it feels alright, but I am just not sure how well it is. So I try to heal it, and what I am going to try is using a crystal to heal this plant, or at least to resurrect it, to make it grow many leaves, and to do that I am using this rose quartz here. It's a beautiful crystal. It's full with love. And I have put it here right next to the plant so that it can boost its healing and growing process. And I am looking forward to see how this experiment will go, how it will react to this stone. I hope that it will help it and that it will grow new leaves, and that this plant is still alright. And I would like to show you also my jade plant because it started to grow many new leaves. These are new ones, this is a new one, and this is new one. So oh, there it is, also a new pair of leaves. So it's looking good, but I noticed that it is going against what I planned with it, because I wanted it to branch out here, and that's why I cut it back. I have cut it back a few times, a few places, and as you can see, it is growing only one stem here and not two, so it didn't branch out, and that's not nice. And that's not nice. That's not what I planned for this plant. Well, it is growing as it would like to grow. I can't force it to grow otherwise if it doesn't want it. And you see the same thing here. It's only one branch. There was another here, but it came off, so that's pretty bad. But otherwise, it just like to grow one branch and not two. I'm not sure why this is. Maybe I should cut the roots back, or I don't know. I will think about it, because I would like to give it a bit different shape than how it is growing. It can still grow out branches here, maybe. I already saw one of my other jade plant to grow leaves on its stem, even though it was already tree-like stem, and it just grew leaves there. So I wouldn't be surprised if it just magically grow a branch out from here. That could happen easily. Well, thank you so much for watching this update, and this was my Haworthia bloom this high, and it's not blooming anymore, but it was pretty. It was really pretty. And this guy here is now a lot better, growing many new leaves, and that's a good sign. This is an African violet, and they are not discolored leaves, so that's also so really good. And it stopped losing its bottom leaves, so I am very happy. It looks like that it feels better herself here. Okay, so this was just a tiny little bit of update from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.